In the forest, soft light glows. A gentle bud begins to show. Birds sing softly, morning's near. A calm begins, the magic's clear. Blooming bright, a golden hue, magic sparkles, soft and true. Light unfolds, a wonder's born in the quiet of the dawn. Curiosity draws the deer to the glow that's shining near. Wide-eyed wonder, gentle steps, a moment shared, no words are kept. Burst of light, the forest sings, colors dance as magic springs. Enchanted realm, the deer in awe, a fleeting glimpse of nature's law. Light recedes, the day resumes, but the flower still softly blooms. The deer stands